Hello everyone, my name is Naincy Rohela and with me I have my fellow team members Mousam Shivhare, Sarthak Kushwaha, Siddhant Chouksey and Shivansh Vishwakarma. We all belongs to Baderia Global Institute of Engineering and Management from the branch of CSC, and we all are from 8th semester. And here we are presenting our major project which is name is Jeeva, and now I want Mousam to explain the further details.
Hello everyone. So once I worked for an NGO dedicated to street animals, focusing on adoption, vaccination and feeding. During that time, I noticed a significant issue, the lack of public awareness and proper infrastructure. This realization inspired me to leverage our technical expertise to develop software that would enhance outreach to the adoption process and facilitate volunteer efforts. Thus, the idea of Jiva was born. Our mission is simple yet profound to ensure all living beings living in harmony. Please change the slide. Okay, change again. This is our problem statement and solution, which I have explained further. Change. So this is the title of our project, Jeeva, which means animal. Okay, change. Okay. So basically, it's a Django-based website which gives all the information related to our vision. We have four major modules, which is adoption, gathering volunteer, connecting people who find any street or abandoned animal by the action, creating change, change. Okay. So our first module is adoption. Like if anyone finds any animal, like if anyone wants to adopt any animal from the NGO, they can take their information from our website. It will be a list of animals present in the NGO, so they can choose the animal they wanted to adopt. Next. The other module is gathering volunteers. So, giving a medium to people who love animals to join our vision, connecting them to nearby NGOs or assigning them to work they wish to do. So, they need to fill a form regarding all the necessary information like they wanted to work on site or on field, or if they have any allergies, or how many days they wanted to work. Change the slide. Okay. So our third section is helper section. Like if anyone finds any street animal who needs to help or who needs to be adopted, they can give information about them to us through using help us button in the user interface. They need to fill all the details about the animal and their location. Also details about them to contact them. Change. Okay. So this is the most important module of our project, which is creating awareness, which was our motive. Like people don't know about the policies which government issues to the street animals, such as sterilization and vaccination. So this page is like continuously modified by us, and all the information regarding that is updated there. Change the slide. Okay, so this is our user interface. This is our home page, which further extends to the creating awareness page. Then this is the adopt section, where all the animals who are available for adoption will be shown, and the person who need to be adopted, like who want to adopt it, can fill a form and submit to us, and all the information will come to our backend. This is the join us section. Like if anyone wants to join us as a volunteer, he or she can fill the form regard like all the information regarding their allergies or how they wanted to work and submit it. And the third section is helper section. Here, if anyone finds any animal, who all the information regarding that can be filled here. Change please. This is our admin interface and I further invite Nancy to explain about it.
Okay. So this is our an admin interface, and here we have all the database tables that we have created, and right now you're seeing the volunteer database, the volunteer table. All the details that we get from the from the join now section, where people who wants to join the organization as a volunteer enter their details, and we get it from here. And right now you're seeing the help us section, all the details that we get from the help us section about the animal that people think could be adopted. uh, it is here, and right now this is the adopt section. This is meant for the admin use only. Through this model we add the details of the animals who are ready to be adopted to the adopt section of the user interface. And as you can see right now, all the details that is entered through this section is going to be rendered on the adoption section of the website. Right now the link of the adoption page is here, and you can see all the details that we have rendered from the database is now visible in the adoption section. And this is the details that we had just have added. Next, this is the tech stack we have used. Zango is used for the backend, and SQLite is for the database, and Tailwind CSS and HTML is for the front end. And the reason why we use Zango is because Zango is something that we all know, and it was very easy for us to work on it. And the another reason is because right now the application that we're creating is quite small, and Zango is best suitable for the smaller project. And also Zango comes with integrated database, which is SQLite, so we don't have to worry about including another database engine to it. Although we can do it when we want to like convert our project into a bigger project, then we can use another database such as MySQL, Oracle, or something else. And Tailwind is for the front end part. Now change. So this is our use case diagram. Change. And this is the data flow. Here you can see all the data flow between the user and the admin. Now please change. And this is the entire relationship diagram that we have created in the database. So here you can see in the first diagram that we have, which carries many to one relationship between the adopter and the adopt animal. Adopt animal is basically the animal who is going to be adopted, and adopter is the one who is going to adopt that animal. And help is the part where we're getting the data for the animals who need to be adopted. And the join team is the volunteer data table. Now please change. And now for the future aspects, I want Mosam to share her thoughts.
Okay, so until now we have created this software for a NGO called Positive Intervention. But we thought like for future we want this project to be a revolution for all this animal lovers. So we want to connect all the animal lovers and NGOs through a medium and be a community. And we want to create a medium for volunteers to connect. And also we want to fulfill our vision of living beings living in harmony.